want their experience to be really good. I want the customer to be happy, because at the end of the day, we're here to do a job for them. You know, they've had moisture problems, mold problems, and we want to solve all that for them. You know, half of these people, they get sick because of mold and everything like that, and a happy client, you know, makes us happy at the end of the day.
My goal for 2022 is just to continue to learn, continue to grow as a person, so I can be the best I can be, not only for myself but for everybody I interact with. So just going to keep on keeping on.